Today we will be making another 4th of July craft. First, we'll need some paint. You need red, white, and blue paint. You'll need a paper plate. You'll need a colored pencil, a red colored pencil. You need string. And you'll need this cardboard cutout star, or like a thin cardboard stuff. That little thin card stuff. It's cardstock. Okay, so first you are going to trace. I'm ready, but you're going to trace these just like this with your colored pencil, red or pink, just like that. And then you're going to get your red paint. I got some red paint over here. I don't think you guys can see from the camera. Let's paint it. It's just easy. We did a different 4th of July craft. Make sure to check this out after you watch this, because you don't not want to miss out. 4th of July crafts are really popular on YouTube whenever 4th of July is coming, so I thought I would blend in also. To see the rest of my videos, just search Raquel V and tap on my circle. It's me having a backpack. I have a backpack, and I don't have any glasses on, but I do. It is pink, a little pink. I'm outside. Just click on that, and you'll see all the videos. Like those videos, but first you're going to have to make this craft. So no missing out. So just paint until it's enough, like that. And then it's going to, okay, so I'm going to trade paper plates. Here's what it will be like whenever you do it all together. So you also need some scissors. Oops, I got these scissors. Puncture it in the hole right there and draw a swirl. Just cut around the swirly. I might switch to scissors because these are like so hard. They hurt my fingers. So I am switching my scissors to these cute pink ones because those are for fabric. Just cut around it until you get all the way to the end. Let's talk more about my channel. So whenever you click on the circle, you'll see drawing videos, crafts. Well, that's if you're new. Well, if you haven't clicked my circle yet, then be sure to after you finish watching this video again. So you'll see drawing, unboxing, crafts, like actual crafts, just like we're doing, and much more. You'll see everything I have. So we're almost done cutting. We're done. So right now it's like this. Looks real cool. And then we're going to get the string, and you're going to, okay, I think I'll trade this in. For this one, it's going to be just like this. Put this string on Then you're going to need that. Wait, first we're going to need this, which you're just gonna paint. You're gonna paint, it's gonna be like this. Let's paint it, but not actually full. I know this is not an actual paintbrush, but it's better than nothing. We can't find any other paintbrush. I'm just going to paint this whole star on both sides. Just one side because I'm going to trade it in for another one. Put the paintbrush back and receive this. I may need a napkin to wipe away my area. Make sure you do this on the table. Here's a star. You're going to take the stamp and just the star stamp, which has been seen on the previous video. Be sure to check it out after. I think I already said that though, so just be sure to check it out. Stamp it just like that. Now I'm going to trade this in for a dried with another string on it, and then you are going to take it just like this. You're going to put the string through the punctured hole like this. It's going to be just like this, and then you're going to tie it. Like this. Just tie it the way I'm doing. And while we're tying, it's going to be just like this. You're going to do it 2 times for it to be stable. Not the square knot, because that would be too hard. Well, unless if you've done it. Ready? And then you can cut off the excess. These are a perfect decoration for kids. Here's what it looks like. Just hang it somewhere. It's going to be just like this. You can hang it anywhere, just like the last craft. Okay, it's the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. So, whenever you tap on my circle, be sure to comment to all those videos, and don't forget to like. You can see them, you can show them to your family so that it will get multiple views. This is one of the best crafts I made. So I appreciate if you have comment and liked. So, bye.